You're sitting at the table trying to explain your day, and you see it, the almost imperceptible eye roll, the slight sneer. You're still together, you're still talking, so why does it feel like the end? What if the single biggest predictor of a breakup isn't the loud, explosive fights, but that one silent killer look of disgust? Research from Dr. John Gottman found one specific behavior that predicts the end of a relationship with over 90% accuracy. Today, we're not just naming that sign, we're breaking down why it's so lethal to love and the one specific antidote you can use to fix it, starting tonight. We've all been taught to look for the big problems. We think relationships fail because of money issues, a lack of intimacy, or constant explosive arguments. And while those are serious stressors, they are often just symptoms. The real disease, the one that guarantees a relationship's death, is far more subtle and poisonous. It's one of what Gottman calls the Four Horsemen, but it's the only one that stands alone as the ultimate predictor. It's not criticism, it's not defensiveness, and it's not stonewalling. The single greatest predictor of a breakup is contempt. It's absolutely critical to understand the difference between contempt and criticism because we mix them up all the time. Criticism attacks a specific problem. It sounds like, "I was scared when you were running late and didn't call me. We talked about this." It's an I statement about a behavior. Contempt attacks the person. It sounds like, "You were late again. You are just so selfish and thoughtless. You never think about anyone but yourself, do you?" See the difference? Criticism is about what you did. Contempt is about who you are. Contempt is sarcasm. It's a mockery. It's hostile humor. It's name-calling. It's that dismissive hand wave. And it is, most powerfully, the eye roll. It is any message, verbal or nonverbal, that says, "I am better than you. You are beneath me." It is disgust. This is why it's the silent killer. A loud argument, even a screaming match, still implies, "I care enough to fight for this. You matter enough to make me angry." Contempt is a cold-blooded emotional abandonment. It signals that you are no longer a partner, but an obstacle. It operates from a position of superiority, and in a partnership, the moment one person sees the other as lesser, the foundation of love, which is mutual respect, is gone. It's like pouring acid on the bond. When someone is treated with contempt, it's impossible for them to be vulnerable. It's impossible to repair. Why would you try to solve a problem with someone who you believe thinks you are pathetic, stupid, or worthless? You can't. So you defend, you shut down, and you withdraw. The connection starves. So what's the fix? If you see this in your relationship, or worse, if you recognize it in yourself, it's not a death sentence, but it is an emergency alarm. You must stop it immediately. The antidote, according to Gottman's decades of research, is to actively and intentionally build a culture of appreciation and respect. This isn't just being nicer. It is a conscious, daily practice. It means actively scanning your partner's world for things they are doing right and saying them out loud. "Thank you for taking the trash out. I really appreciated how you handled that call with your mom. You're a great dad." It means describing your own feelings and needs. "I feel," instead of launching "you are" accusations. It means catching that sarcastic tone, that sneer, that eye roll before it happens, and replacing it with a neutral statement, or better yet, just a breath. It's not about never fighting. Every healthy couple fights. It's about how you fight. You can be angry and still be respectful. You can be frustrated and still be kind. But you cannot be contemptuous and stay connected. This is the sign that predicts the end, not because it's a magical signal, but because it is the active, ongoing poisoning of the respect that holds two people together. Recognizing it is the first, most powerful step to stopping it. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this insightful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.